In the vastness of space, where stars burn bright and planets orbit in silence, there exists a perfect balance, a region where life, as we know it, can exist. This is the Goldilocks zone, the cosmic sweet spot where temperatures are just right, allowing liquid water to flow and life to thrive. The Goldilocks zone, or habitable zone, is the area around a star where conditions are neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist. In our solar system, Earth sits right in the middle of this zone, a delicate position that makes life possible. But is Earth unique, or could there be other worlds out there in their own Goldilocks zones? Too close to a star? A planet becomes a scorched wasteland, like Venus. Too far away, it turns into an icy desert, like Mars. In the middle, life has a chance to thrive, just like on Earth. NASA's Kepler and James Webb Space Telescopes are scanning the universe for Earth-like planets in the habitable zone. Scientists have already found thousands of exoplanets, some of which may have conditions similar to Earth. Could we one day find another Earth? Or is our planet truly one of a kind? The search for habitable worlds is just beginning.
Earth, our home, a planet of oceans, forests, and endless life. But how did our world become the perfect place for life to thrive? The answer lies in cosmic accidents, violent collisions, and billions of years of evolution. Earth was a molten world, bombarded by asteroids. A collision with a Mars-sized object created the Moon, which later stabilized Earth's tilt. Volcanic activity and water-rich asteroids delivered the first oceans. Unlike Venus, which is too hot, and Mars, which is too cold, Earth sits in the habitable zone, where liquid water can exist. The right amount of atmosphere traps heat, keeping temperatures stable. Earth's magnetic field shields us from deadly solar radiation. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first single-celled organisms appeared in Earth's oceans. Oxygen-producing bacteria transformed the atmosphere, paving the way for complex life. Over time, plants, animals, and eventually humans emerged. Could life exist elsewhere, or is Earth truly one of a kind? Scientists are searching for Earth-like exoplanets in distant star systems. For centuries, humans have looked to the stars, wondering if another Earth exists somewhere in the vast cosmos. Today, with advanced telescopes and space missions, we are closer than ever to finding habitable exoplanets, worlds that may support life beyond our solar system. NASA's Kepler mission discovered over 5,000 exoplanets, many in their star's Goldilocks zone. The James Webb Space Telescope is scanning distant worlds for atmospheric clues of life. Could we detect oxygen, methane, or water vapor on another planet? The top 3 most promising exoplanets are Kepler-442b, a rocky planet in the habitable zone, possibly with water; Proxima b, the closest known exoplanet to Earth, orbiting Proxima Centauri; and TRAPPIST-1e, part of a system with 7 Earth-sized planets that may have oceans. Even with current technology, reaching these exoplanets would take thousands of years. Scientists are exploring warp drives, solar sails, and cryogenic sleep for future space travel. Could AI-powered probes reach a distant Earth-like world before humans do? The search for life is just beginning. Could we detect alien signals or even microbial life on a distant exoplanet? The universe is vast. Finding another habitable world may be a matter of when, not if. Coming next, Chapter 4: The Science of Life and Habitability. What makes a planet truly habitable? Is it just the right temperature and liquid water, or does life require something more? Scientists are studying the extreme conditions in which life survives on Earth to understand how it might exist elsewhere in the universe. Life on Earth relies on water, carbon, energy sources, and an atmosphere. But what if alien life doesn't need water and thrives in methane or sulfuric acid? Could life exist beneath thick ice sheets, like on Europa, or in toxic clouds, like Venus? Microbes survive in boiling hydrothermal vents, deep-sea trenches, and Antarctica's frozen lakes. Some organisms even thrive in radiation-filled environments that would be deadly for humans. If life exists in these extreme conditions, could it also survive on Mars or Titan? Scientists analyze atmospheric gases like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide for signs of life. Future telescopes will scan distant planets for chemical fingerprints that match Earth's biosphere. Could we one day detect alien life through a telescope before we even visit their planet? If we find microbial life on Mars or an exoplanet, would it confirm that life is common in the universe? How would humanity react to the discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life? The search continues. Are we truly alone? We stand at the dawn of a new space age. With advanced technology and ambitious missions, humanity is preparing to explore the cosmos like never before. But what does the future hold for space travel? Will we one day live among the stars? NASA's Artemis missions aim to land humans on the moon by 2025. The goal? Establish a permanent lunar base as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. Could the moon become humanity's first off-world colony? SpaceX's Starship is designed for human Mars missions within the next 2 decades. Scientists are exploring terraforming, underground habitats, and sustainable food sources. Will the first humans set foot on Mars in our lifetime? The James Webb Space Telescope is scanning exoplanets for signs of life. Missions like Europa Clipper will explore Jupiter's moon for alien oceans. Will we send a probe to the Oort cloud or even interstellar space? Scientists are developing concepts like warp drives and light sails to travel beyond our solar system. Could AI-controlled ships explore other star systems before we do? Will future generations reach Earth 2.0 in another galaxy? If we found another Earth-like planet in the Goldilocks zone, could we actually live there? Or is our home planet truly irreplaceable? As we dream of interstellar travel, scientists are asking a bigger question. Could humans survive on another world? What would it take to live on an exoplanet? Too much gravity and humans couldn't move. Too little and we'd lose muscle mass. Most exoplanets don't have Earth-like air. Could we terraform them? Many planets have deadly radiation levels or extreme climates. Scientists are exploring ways to modify alien environments, like heating Mars' atmosphere. Could we create self-sustaining biodomes to support human life? Would we need to genetically modify humans to adapt to new planets? Even traveling at light speed, reaching a distant Goldilocks planet would take hundreds or thousands of years. Could generation ships, cryosleep, or AI-controlled colonies be the key? Some futurists believe we may one day upload human consciousness into machines to travel between stars. If Earth becomes uninhabitable, will we be ready to relocate? Or is humanity's future tied to staying and saving our home planet? For centuries, we have looked up at the night sky, wondering, are we alone? As we explore the Goldilocks zone and search for habitable planets, we inch closer to answering one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. Some scientists believe Earth is uniquely special. Conditions like ours might be extremely rare. Without a large moon, magnetic field, and stable orbit, would life ever have evolved here? If life is rare, does that make our responsibility to protect Earth even greater? With billions of stars and even more planets, why haven't we found extraterrestrial life? Are alien civilizations hiding, or have they already gone extinct? Could we be the first intelligent species in our galaxy? Scientists are scanning space for alien signals, but what if they're already watching us? If we find alien life, how would we communicate? Would they be peaceful or dangerous? Could interstellar travel one day unite humanity with an advanced civilization? Whether we find life or not, our journey is just beginning. Colonizing other planets may ensure the survival of our species. The next generation of explorers may be the first to step onto another Earth. In the vast universe, we may be one of many, or we may be the only ones. Either way, our journey to the stars has just begun. Thank you for watching this documentary. Subscribe for more deep space explorations.